Hi guys, welcome to Learn Trade and Earn Forex. I am Tim Ambrose, your host and surest plug to consistent profiting in the Forex market. Just in case you're new to my channel, do well to hit the subscribe button and notification bell below so as to be the first to get notified when I upload another educational and amazing video. Also, if you're new to Forex, please see my previous videos for a step-by-step approach to becoming a pro in this market. You can also get every information you need like the broker I use, my trade setup group chat, and how you can get in touch with me in the description area below. Thank you and God bless you.
Okay, welcome back, guys. So today I want to quickly address something I've noticed, which is one of the main reasons why most persons are not making it well or big in the forex market. I've come to realize that most persons, a whole lot of traders don't pay attention to it, and that I notice is the major reason why most persons are failing in the forex market. It is not as though they don't know how to trade, they know how to trade. Everything we've taught and everything they learned is working, but just one thing they are not paying attention to, and that thing here is they don't know the type of trader or the kind of trader they are or they are meant to be. There are various type of traders in the forex market. Now, it is good for you as a trader to know which one is suitable for you. And all these things you would know when you're practicing the demo account, when you're practicing trading with the demo account. So quickly, let's dive to the chart and let's explain this properly. So today I would like to teach us what I titled as the trading styles. Now, what worked for me may not really work for you, not because it does not work perfectly, but because we are different. The way I see things, the way I see the market is different from the way you may read, interpret, or analyze the market. So you must tend to understand this properly before you decide, okay, this is the type of trader I want to be, or this is how I want to take my trades. So the first we have here is the scalper. A scalper is a trader looking to get in and out of positions within minutes, if not seconds. They generally are looking for very liquid markets that have erratic or extreme price swings, or they may see what they believe to be a price discrepancy on the cross they feel they can take advantage of before the rest of the market figures it out. That is the scalper, and that is how they see the market. Now, a scalper looks for markets that spikes a lot, so they can easily get into the market, get their profit, and get out of the market. Scalpers are not interested in too much pips. Scalpers are interested big lot size traders who are interested in catching small pips with their big lot size. I believe you got that. Now, for instance, you can see this market consolidated a bit at this point. You can see when this market got here, there's a little retracement before it fired back up. So a scalper would wait for this market at this point. So as this guy is coming up and getting to this point, a scalper will immediately initiate a sell. He is looking to get 8, 5, 10 pips, at most 20 pips. They are not interested in 500, 150 pips. So because they are using a big lot size, he is interested in getting just few pips with a huge lot size, and he's out of the trade. So that's a scalper for you. And the majority of the persons I know who scalp the forex market uh, are always interested in retracements. They are interested in retracements. Once the market gets to a support or resistance point, they don't really confirm because they feel the market definitely will retrace, even if it's just 5 minutes or 10 minutes. So look at this and getting to this point, the scalper will quickly sell, take that, quickly sell, take, quickly sell. That's what they keep doing and collect the 5-10 pips. Now, scalping is risky. Other methods of trading too are risky. So you must be able to tell which one you can handle the risks emotionally. Now, another group of traders we have are the day trader. A day trader generally stay in a trade for a few hours. They typically do what their name implies. They trade. So they stay in the trade for few hours, few hours. They are not interested in staying in the trade for 24 hours. Before the end of the day, they exit the trade. They don't hold the trade till the next day. Day traders don't do that. For instance, I have an example here. Look at this point here. You can see the bullish pin bar, which is an indication of market rejection, strong market rejection, and the market is going to buy. So a day trader will just, at the end of this pullback, initiate a buy at this point, and you could place his take profits at the resistance above and give this stop loss. So uh, on getting to this place is out of the trade. But a scalper will not do this. A scalper does not stay in the market more than 15 to 30 minutes. A day trader can stay as long as 16 hours. A scalper cannot stay more than 30 minutes on a particular trade. As a matter of fact, scalpers generally don't take more than 5 to 10 pips stop loss. So, but a day trader can take up to 20, 50, depending on the risk to reward ratio. That is for the day traders. So another set of persons we have also in the forex market are the swing traders. The swing traders do a bit more than what the day traders do. A swing trader can hold trades for days or even weeks. So let's check what we have here. Okay, this is a chart I pulled out. You can see at this point we have a double top, which is an indication of market rejection. So a swing trader would wait for this market at the neck. So immediately it gets to the neck point, a swing trader would initiate his or her trade. So this is a double top we have here. This is the double top we have here. So as this guy came down to the neck point, a swing trader would have initiated a trade. A swing trader would have initiated a sell and take profit at the support point. That's for the swing trader. A swing trader can hold a trade for days and for even up to a week, but a day trader cannot do that. And you can see this chart I have here. This chart is a daily time frame. You can see. So each of these candles represents one day, and it took days. It should be up to 2 weeks, if I'm not mistaken, before this market got before price got to the take profit. A day trader would not do that. A scalper also would not do that. So a scalper 15 to 30 minutes, a day trader for hours, but not up to 24 hours. A swing trader can stay as long as uh, uh, can stay for days and sometimes a week or two. So another group of persons we have here are the position traders. Position traders are much longer term traders who hold positions for weeks to even months or more. Now these guys can hold trade for a long time. I mean it's a long time, a long time. and their stop losses are wide, very, very wide. This is an example of a trade. Okay, so let's see what we have here. So you can see this trend line. Pick this trend line on the weekly time frame. So as price got to this point, you can see there's a bit of a structure forming here, like there are this demand zone. So what happened now, as the price bounces off the trend line the fourth time, you can see this is the first, second, third, and fourth. The fourth time bounces off the trend line the fourth time. A position trader would initiate a buy that is following the trend, and the stop loss could be this much. Now, funny as it may look, this thing we have here is 700 pips. This is a weekly time frame. This is 700 pips, and the take profit is 2,750 pips. So you can see this trade. Remember, each candle represents a week. So we have over more than 52 candles here. So this is over a year. So the position traders can hold trade for that long. You can see the market, the price got to the take profits. Now there are times also where price we hit the stop loss, we hunt their stop loss. So as a trader, you need to know what type of trader you want to be, what type of loss you can bear, what type of loss you can take, how long you can hold a trade, how long you can be in a trade, how long you want to be in the market. You must define these things before you uh, decide how to trade. You don't just pick any lot size and trade. If you're scalping, your lot size will be big. If you're swing trading, your lot size will be reduced. If you're day trading, your lot size will be reduced. So if you're scalping, you're not interested in 50 pips. You're interested in just 5, 10, 15, 20 pips. And you shouldn't stay in the market much longer than 15 to 30 minutes. So as a scalper, you must define these things so you don't lose your money. And as a day trader, you stay in the market for hours, but not up to a day. So know what you want, know what your heart can take. I believe there are some persons who can stay in the market for up to 2 hours in a particular trade for up to 2 hours. They get scared if the market begins to go against them. Definitely the market will still go in their favor, but those pullbacks make them scared to end the trade. So such persons should know uh, their hearts have not really been trained in that aspect. So they should do more of scalping. Scalping will be more better for them instead of going for long trades. So if you know you can't hold a trade for 24 hours, I beg you, don't do swing trading or position trading. If you know you can't stay in the market for a long period of time, for instance, let's say 4 to 5 hours on a particular trade, don't look at that, then go to scalping. Know what you want, know what you want, know what you want. Don't scalp because your friend is scalping. Now, I see it this way: anyone who wants to scalp must have a good knowledge of day trading. You must be able to day trade for you to be able to scalp properly. If you can day trade, and if you can day trade, you find that scalping will go very much well in your favor. You make it well scalping. But you just come out from the blue and you begin to scalp, knowing nothing about day trading. You're gambling, you're gambling, you're gambling, you're gambling. That is why they call scalpers gambler, because they really do not do any proper analysis before they dive into the market. They just dive into the market wherever they see any, whatever they call an opportunity. So please decide what type of trader you want to be. If you decide this, you will be amazed at how much you'll be making from the Forex market. your profit will become so consistent. I bet you, before you know what's happening, in less than a year or more, you could become a six-figure trader. Remember, I said you don't need to know the A to Z of Forex to become a profitable trader. All you need is the right knowledge to secure the bag. Thank you guys for staying up to this time. So please, if you have questions, you can drop your questions in this comment section. I'll go through them and answer your questions. And if there's anyone that require me making a video to answer, I'll do just that. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. Also give this video a thumb up. Thank you and God bless you.